That doesn't make sense.
Look at the fish. Look at the fish. This is freaky. Thousands of them. Thousands. Yeah, buddy.
Some of those are some good, nice sockeye. Some of those are pretty big.
This is fucking nuts. This whole river is all like that. With fish. Everywhere you look. Thousands. Thousands. Thousands.
How could you not catch one if there's that many? Look at that big fucker right there.
Oh yeah.
Let's see, come stand right here and look at the big fucking guys all right down there.
Oh.
Look at those suckers. It's a fucking awesome sight, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I've never seen
Why do you look at them just all
anything in my life like that.
Oh, it's like this for 2 miles out to the lake.
That's just.
And then it's like this in the lake.
There are some monsters in there.
Yeah, let's go catch some of these.
Yes, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We should do good.
Fucking bears.
This is freaking
That's crazy.
fantastic. Buddy, I've never in my life, I wouldn't eat, like, you see that in a fucking normal river.
Crazy. Like just rough, all fish, man.
Just from that ripple way out there by those birds. It's just thousands. Thousands. Yeah.